So in this video we're going to show running a production sequence. So previously we created a part number and sequences for AD100. We're going to add in a unique serial number and then it's going to show up and give us some options of what production operations we can run. I'm going to select assembly and then press OK. It'll just load up the sequence in a few seconds, and right now it's showing as all of those operations incomplete. So to start off, I will click the start button. It begins by showing a work instruction, and I can use the right arrow to click onto the next step to see my next work instruction. So it's now prompting me to scan some barcodes, so as long as I have the 556 in there it will pass. Now it's prompted me to take a measurement. I failed that one, but it gives me a chance to retry, so on second go I can put a value in that passes and do my pass or fail tests there, and then the sequence is finished. It shows me all of the results, and I can press complete and that will generate a report in the system. So that's running a basic production sequence in Tascus.